a brief report on a workshop for foundational literacy and numeracy. The program for 5 days in offline and for a good number of days, weeks in online was organized and conducted by State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT, J&K Kashmir Division. In this workshop, was developed for the age group of 3, the entire and eminent resource group of Kashmir Division displayed highest degree of resilience and developed quality materials for the field teachers. And this all was possible in collaboration with the senior faculty at SCERT. The materials developed in the workshop are listed as activities, flashcards, picture cards, conversation cards, dominoes, story cards, puzzles, jigsaws, tangrams, worksheets, sequential thinking cards, tracing cards, dot joining cards, odd one out, seriation, shape, numeracy, and thematic cards. The Honorable Director SCERT JK has expressed satisfaction with the successful completion of the workshop and has praised the team of experts for their efforts in developing the materials. Honorable Sir has expected that the materials, after review and vetting from the experts at UT level, would be available on the official website of SCERT JK and would also be shared with the concerned departments for printing and publication. The director said that SCERT JK is the custodian to change the educational landscape of Jammu Kashmir. And message: the Joint Director SCERT JK, Mr. Hemraj Pokhru sir, congratulated the in-charge SCERT, Dr. Zahoor, and his team of experts for working professionally while developing the materials and hoped that the material would reach the end user, that is the FLN teacher, at the earliest. In the valedictory event, the coordinator of the program and divisional nodal officer praised the efforts of leading resource persons, experts of Kashmir Division, particularly the coordinator from Jammu Division, Mr. Anil Sharma, who remained a part of the online workshop and contributed his invaluable suggestions. Coordinator extended heartfelt thanks to Mr. Abdurrashid Mullah, Mr. Irfan Ahmad Shah, Mr. Irshad Ahmad Wani for their unconditional support and cooperation till the submission of the materials to higher authorities. Gratitude was extended to the senior faculty members at SCERT Kashmir Division and Head of Planning, Dr. John Mudassir Gul, Head of Numeracy Department, Mr. Gulzar Ahmed Dar, Head of Inclusive and Special Education, Mr. Masood Ali Mir, in charge Kashmiri and Urdu language, Mr. Shabir Hussain Shabir, faculty, senior faculty member, Science, Mr. Javed Ahmed Dar, senior faculty member from Education Planning and Monitoring Wing, Mr. Riaz Ahmed Dar, senior faculty from Inclusive and Special Education, Ms. Ripatara, faculty members, Ms. Babra Shabir, Ms. Muthara, and Mr. Saeed Hamid Bukhari for their cooperation, capacity building, and development of materials during the workshop. I once again extend heartfelt thanks to all the concerned who were part of this odyssey, this journey, wherein we were able to develop some 650 content pieces, which was hailed and appreciated by the worthy Director SCRT, Janab uh, Professor Dr. Parikshit Singh Minhas. I extend my gratitude and thanks to the director, sir, for believing in the team, for giving us the opportunity where we were able to sit together and come up with the first draft of the activities, handbook, cards, story cards, and the materials required for foundational literacy and numeracy learners for the age group 3 to 6. Thanks, one and all.